What if I told you that financial freedom might not require $1 million portfolio, risky stock picking, or day trading every morning? What if I told you that a single ETF, bought consistently over time, could realistically help you build monthly income, portfolio stability, and long-term wealth? Today, we're talking about QQQI. And by the end of this video, you might realize that you're not as far away from financial freedom as you think. You might be just a few QQQI ETF shares away. This is not hype. This is not a get-rich-quick story. And this is definitely not financial advice. This is a realistic breakdown, using numbers, income mechanics, and long-term strategy. If you care about monthly income, lower volatility than pure growth ETFs, cash flow without selling shares, and building a portfolio that works whether the market goes up, down, or sideways, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch until the end, because we'll cover what QQQI actually is, how it generates income, realistic income scenarios, how many shares could matter, risks you must understand, and who QQQI is, and is not, for. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's begin. What is QQQI? QQQI is the NEOS Nasdaq-100 High Income ETF. Unlike traditional ETFs like QQQ or QQQM that focus purely on growth, QQQI is built for income. But it's not just another covered call ETF. QQQI uses an actively managed option strategy tied to the Nasdaq-100, while still maintaining exposure to high-quality tech and growth companies. This includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta. The difference is how income is generated. QQQI aims to deliver monthly income, reduced volatility, tax-efficient distributions, participation in market growth, but with guardrails. This ETF is designed for investors who want cash flow now, not just theoretical gains later. How QQQI generates income. Let's break this down simply. QQQI earns income primarily through options premiums, portfolio income, tactical exposure management. Instead of selling covered calls on 100% of the portfolio like traditional income ETFs, QQQI uses a more flexible strategy. This matters because it allows upside participation, downside cushioning, more consistent monthly payouts. The ETF collects option premiums, which are then distributed to shareholders, usually monthly. This is why QQQI appeals so strongly to income investors, retirees, fire seekers, anyone wanting predictable cash flow. You're not relying on dividends from tech companies. You're relying on market activity itself. Why QQQI is different from QQQ and AMP, QQQM? QQQ and QQQM are fantastic growth ETFs. But here's the problem. They don't pay meaningful income. If you want cash flow from QQQ, you must sell shares, time the market, reduce your future growth. QQQI flips the script. Instead of selling shares, your shares pay you. That means, you keep ownership, you maintain exposure, you receive income monthly. This is the core reason why QQQI can be powerful for financial freedom. What does financial freedom really mean? Let's define this clearly. Financial freedom does not mean never working again overnight, owning a yacht, quitting your job tomorrow. For most people, financial freedom means your bills are partially or fully covered, you have breathing room, you're not stressed about money, you have options. Even an extra $500 to $2,000 per month can change your life. And this is where QQQI becomes interesting. Realistic QQQI income scenarios. Let's talk numbers. Assume QQQI distributes an average monthly income. Distributions vary, but we're being realistic. Example 1, 100 shares, monthly income, modest, covers utilities or groceries. Example 2, 300 shares, monthly income, meaningful, covers car payment or rent portion. Example 3, 500 shares, monthly income, powerful, covers major monthly expenses. Example 4, 1000 shares, monthly income, lifestyle changing, covers rent or mortgage in many regions. Now here's the key insight. You don't need all the shares today. You build them over time. Building QQQI shares over time. Most people fail because they try to go all in at once. Smart investors, dollar cost average, reinvest distributions, stay consistent. Imagine buying 5 shares per month, or reinvesting every payout over time. Shares compound, income grows, stress decreases. This is how financial freedom is built quietly. Reinvesting versus taking cash. In the early years, reinvestment is powerful. Reinvesting QQQI income means faster share accumulation, higher future income, compounding without emotion. Later, you can flip the switch. Instead of reinvesting, you collect the income, you fund your lifestyle, you reduce dependency on work. QQQI allows flexibility. Risks you must understand. Let's be honest. QQQI is not risk-free. Risks include limited upside in strong bull markets, distribution variability, market downturn exposure, strategy underperformance. This is why QQQI should not be your only ETF. It works best as an income pillar, a cash flow engine, a volatility reducer, not a replacement for growth. How QQQI fits into a smart portfolio. QQQI works best when combined with growth ETFs, like VU or QQQM, dividend ETFs, like SCHD, defensive assets. This balance allows growth in good times, income in flat markets, stability in downturns. Financial freedom is not about one ETF. But QQQI can accelerate the journey. Final thoughts. Are you just a few shares away? Here's the truth. You don't need perfection. You don't need timing. You don't need luck. You need consistency, patience, a strategy that pays you. QQQI won't make you rich overnight. But over time, it can make you free. And for many people watching this video, financial freedom isn't decades away. You might be just a few QQQI ETF shares away. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more ETF income strategies, and comment below, how many shares would make you feel financially free? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.